Hey Toy Nerds, super excited, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you kind of a montage of my first kit bash / scratch build. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. I had an idea, I wanted to make a robot, wasn't exactly sure what it was going to be, so at my work I found a box of electronic components in an electronics recycle bin. There was a Roomba robot in there, a Wacom mouse, some wireless earbuds, a little speaker, a whole bunch of cables. So we just tore them all apart, had a whole bunch of pieces, and what I did was I kind of just laid them out on the table, and I just had this giant mess of stuff, and I started kind of playing and looking at the shapes and kind of seeing how is it going to work. I started with the wheels. I thought, well, maybe I'll make a vehicle, and then I was like, nah, I want to make a robot, but I don't know if the wheels will work. But the wheels from the Roomba actually had some kind of gear system in it, so they actually stand up really well and hold. Then I took a car charger, busted up a car charger, and you can see that's the torso. The Roomba had this little swivel piece on it that fit right on, so the torso and the shoulders, they can move. Let's see what else. Oh, the head is from a drone. My coworker found a drone out in a field, and it's a pretty cheap drone, but the head is the bottom component of the drone. The guns on the head are from a ATV, like G.I. Joe, kind of knockoff G.I. Joe ATV that I got at a yard sale for 25 cents, so pop those guns off. Let's see, the arms, they're from a Iron Man War Machine. So I took the toy apart. Again, I got that at a yard sale for 50 cents, I think. So pop the arms off of that, use the arms. You can see the torso, the shoulders are car chargers, USB chargers. So I used that for the shoulders underneath. Let's see, what else was there? Yeah, just like cool springs and stuff, wires. On the Roomba, there's an electronic circuit board, so I clipped off a whole bunch of resistors and circuits and glued those on certain spots. And then I also had some old tank models, and there's some really cool, if you look in the pictures, there's like on his lower portion, there's a gas can, a little axe, just cool little pipes and stuff like that. That's from the tank, so kind of put that all together, and it was super fun. Like, the most fun was just laying it all out and building something for nothing. So check out the little montage. Hope you enjoy it. hope you liked that. It was super fun. You can see at the end the weathering. It was just a blast. I really just kind of primed it with that gray, sprayed it with the yellow, and then to get the weathering on the shoulders and the aging, I literally just took an X-Acto knife and scratched off the yellow paint and gave me that really nice base. And then I love taking shoe polish, the liquid shoe polish, just weather it all up, brush it on, wipe it off in different areas, just painting all the little parts with silver. It was really, really fun. So probably not my last scratch build slash bash kit, whatever you want to call it. So stay tuned for more.